Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Stand mixer. Compact designed and more color options. The stand mixer is less than 7 pounds with dimension 12.9 by 7 by 10.2 in, small and easy to storage, which could help space saving. Perfectly suitable for small kitchen, apartment, or limited storage space. And multiple colors to choose. Meet a variety of aesthetic needs for your kitchen. 3.2 QT capacity and tilt head design. Our little kitchen mixer equipped with 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl. Suitable for new baker. 1-2 members family or couples, easy to operate and clean up. Tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. And transparent anti-splash lid could prevent the ingredient making a mess. Excellent gift and support. The electric mixer is also an excellent gift idea for your family and friends. We have confidence in the quality of our products and will provide after-sales guarantee for it. If you have any questions when received or during your using, please contact us at ease. Electric pressure cooker. 7in, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Versatile inner cooking pot. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. Discover amazing recipes. Includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Countertop blender. Professional power. 1,000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source, corded electric, amperage, 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1,000-watt motor-based professional blender 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Food Saver vacuum sealer. 80 kilopascal suction power. Updated vacuum sealer uses a DC motor pump with electromagnetic perm and pure copper core to enhance its suction power. It sucks all air out tightly to preserve your meat and vegetables for 10 times longer or more to prevent oxidation. Works with more food types. Updated version has a moist mode that removes liquids, as much as 10 milliliters, from your meat or fish and gives it a tight seal. Dry mode to work with food without water. Vac Pulse allows you to control how much you want to vacuum, such as for marinated meat with juice without sucking liquids out. Seal mode to seal snack leftovers. Vacuum hose included to vacuum storage jars and wine bottles. Megawise quality and support. Megawise designs and makes product with the methodology of lean for delivering the best quality to you. And in the event of any problem, you can contact the friendly 24/7 live chat support team of Megawise. Spiralizer vegetable slicer. Safer slicer. Safety mandolin slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity. Once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer larger feeding port container chopper more food at once. Offers 4 mode choices: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once. No need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness 0.1 to 8 millimeters, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. High quality. The food mandolin is made of 420 stainless steel blades, safe and healthy, vegetable slicer is a good idea for the festival of wedding or home gift. Sure, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Once for all, we provide 24 months of warranty. Avocado slicer. Packaging includes you'll get 1 PCS 3-in-1 avocado tool splits, pits, and slices avocados safely and effectively. Designed, the round hole design makes it easy to hang up to save your kitchen space. And this all-in-one tool splits, pits, and slices avocados. Easy to use. In just a few minutes of cutting and pitting, an avocado salad can be prepared in no time. Stainless steel pitter removes pit with a simple twist. Any size of avocado cores can be removed easily. Plastic blade easily cuts through the avocado skin without being sharp to touch. Dishwasher safety, BPA-free, FDA silicone material, food-grade silicone handle, tasteless, durable, and heat-resistant for everyday use, and easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Multipurpose use, not only used for avocado, but also used for kiwi fruit. It's good for mashing avocado and banana. Good for making guacamole. Enjoy all your delicious fruit with your family. Herb scissors. 2025 new high-quality herb cutting scissors with 5 stainless steel blades. The herb shear set contains a safety cover and a comb for cleaning. The 5-blade design increase your productivity by 4 times. The handle is made of PP plus TPR soft rubber, comfortable and non-slip. Can use dishwasher to clean, but hand wash is recommended. Comfortable soft grip TPR handle. Designed with a non-slip TPR handle to reduce hand fatigue and ensure a secure grip during extended use. Shop with confidence. 30-day money-back guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. Electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation, smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends. Suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Power source. Requires 4x alkaline batteries, not included. For best performance, use fresh alkaline batteries. Silicone baking mats. Food-grade quality. Silicone baking mats are made of pliable food-grade silicone, BPA-free. Baking mats ensures that the food is heated evenly. Silicone mats for baking are heat-resistant, with a range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Care instructions. For optimal results, we recommend boiling the mats in water for 10 minutes before first use. If you are sensitive to the initial scent of new products, you can also place it in the oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit - 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius - 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Non-stick surface. There is no need to grease the silicone baking sheet when using it, and even the dough is less likely to stick to the silicone baking sheets for oven. Each baking mat is 0.03 inches thick, double thickness for durability. Easy to clean. You can simply wipe the surface of the silicone mat for baking with a damp, soapy sponge and rinse it off. The baking mat is also dishwasher safe. Save time and effort by eliminating the need for parchment paper to clean silicone baking sheets. Instant read meat thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low light conditions. Motion sensing sleep-wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe, opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant read meat thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Lock and calibration. Instant read food thermometer features lock function to lock the temperature on the display, so you can read temp away from the heat. Keep your temperature probe always accurate through calibration function.